Welcome to I'm Finally Fit. Today we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked in the fitness world, the crucial role of sleep in muscle recovery and growth. You might be hitting the gym hard, pushing your limits, and following the perfect diet, but if you're not prioritizing your sleep, you could be missing out on significant gains. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, builds muscle, and replenishes energy stores. In fact, studies show that quality sleep can enhance protein synthesis and hormone production, both vital for muscle growth. In this video, we'll explore some secret sleep hacks that can help you optimize your rest and, in turn, your fitness journey. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, understanding how to improve your sleep can be a game changer. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to crush your workouts. So, stick around as we uncover effective strategies that will not only enhance your sleep quality, but also supercharge your muscle building efforts. Let's get started on the path to better sleep and better gains. Understanding sleep cycles. To truly harness the power of sleep for muscle recovery, it's essential to understand the different stages of sleep: rapid eye movement and non-rapid eye movement sleep. Non-rapid eye movement sleep consists of 3 stages, each playing a vital role in your body's recovery process. During the first 2 stages, your body transitions into deeper sleep, allowing for physical restoration. This is when your muscles repair and grow thanks to increased blood flow and the release of growth hormones. The third stage, known as deep sleep, is particularly crucial. It's during this stage that your body focuses on repairing tissues, building bone, and strengthening the immune system. On the other hand, rapid eye movement sleep, which occurs after non-rapid eye movement stages, is where your brain becomes highly active. This stage is essential for cognitive functions, memory consolidation, and emotional regulation, all of which can impact your motivation and performance in the gym. For optimal recovery, it's important to complete full sleep cycles, typically lasting about 90 minutes each. This ensures you experience all stages of sleep, maximizing muscle repair and growth. Prioritizing these cycles can lead to better performance and faster recovery in your fitness journey. Creating a sleep-friendly environment. To enhance your sleep quality and support muscle recovery, optimizing your bedroom environment is key. Start by focusing on the ideal room temperature, which should generally be between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. This cooler setting helps lower your body temperature, signaling that it's time to sleep. Additionally, consider your lighting conditions. A dark room promotes the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. Using blackout curtains can effectively block out any external light, creating a serene atmosphere conducive to rest. Another great addition to your sleep environment is a white noise machine. This can help mask disruptive sounds, allowing you to drift off more easily and stay asleep longer. The gentle hum can create a calming backdrop that promotes relaxation. Lastly, decluttering your bedroom can significantly impact your ability to unwind. A tidy space reduces distractions and creates a peaceful ambience, making it easier for your mind to relax. By implementing these tips, you can create a sleep-friendly environment that not only enhances your sleep quality, but also supports your muscle growth and overall fitness journey. Establishing a sleep routine. Creating a consistent sleep schedule is crucial for optimizing muscle growth and recovery. By setting a regular bedtime and wake-up time, you help control your body's circadian rhythm, making it trouble-free to fall asleep and wake up invigorated. Aim for the same sleep and wake times every day, even on weekends, to reinforce this routine. Winding down before sleep is equally important. Taking time to relax signals to your body that it's time to transition into rest mode. Consider incorporating calming activities into your pre-sleep routine, such as dimming the lights, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretches. These actions can help lower your heart rate and prepare your mind for sleep. Additionally, relaxation techniques like meditation or reading can be incredibly beneficial. Meditation helps clear your mind and reduce stress, while reading can serve as a gentle distraction from daily worries. Both practices can enhance your ability to fall asleep quickly and improve sleep quality. By establishing a consistent sleep routine and incorporating these winding down techniques, you'll set the stage for optimal muscle recovery and growth, ultimately enhancing your fitness journey. Nutrition and sleep. The relationship between diet and sleep quality is more significant than many realize. Certain foods can promote better sleep, helping you recover and build muscle more effectively. For instance, almonds are rich in magnesium, which can improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation. Similarly, turkey contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, both essential for regulating sleep. On the flip side, it's crucial to avoid caffeine in heavy meals close to bedtime. Caffeine can stay in your system for hours, disrupting your ability to fall asleep. Heavy meals can lead to discomfort and indigestion, making it difficult to relax. Instead, aim for lighter snacks if you need something before bed, such as a small serving of yogurt or a banana. Hydration is also important, but be mindful of your fluid intake as bedtime approaches. Staying hydrated throughout the day is essential, but limiting fluids in the hour or two before sleep can help prevent those annoying nighttime trips to the bathroom. By making mindful dietary choices, you can significantly enhance your sleep quality, ultimately supporting your muscle growth and recovery efforts. Supplementing for better sleep. When it comes to improving sleep quality, certain supplements can be beneficial. Magnesium is one such supplement known for its calming properties. It helps regulate neurotransmitters that promote relaxation and can improve sleep quality, making it easier for your body to recover and build muscle. Another popular option is melatonin, a hormone that your body naturally produces to regulate sleep-wake cycles. Supplementing with melatonin can be particularly helpful for those struggling with insomnia or adjusting to new sleep schedules. However, it's essential to approach supplementation with caution. Over-reliance on supplements without consulting a healthcare professional can lead to unwanted side effects or mask underlying issues. It's always best to discuss any new supplement regimen with a doctor or nutritionist to ensure it's appropriate for your individual needs. Remember, supplements should complement a holistic approach to sleep, combining a balanced diet, a consistent sleep routine, and targeted supplements can create a powerful synergy for better sleep quality. By focusing on these elements together, you can enhance your overall well-being and support your muscle growth and recovery effectively. Monitoring sleep quality. Tracking and assessing your sleep quality is essential for optimizing muscle growth and recovery. One effective way to do this is by using sleep tracking apps and devices. Many smartphones and wearable gadgets can monitor your sleep patterns, providing insights into how long you sleep, the quality of your sleep, and the different stages you experience throughout the night. This data can help you understand your sleep habits better and identify areas for improvement. In addition to technology, keeping a sleep journal can be incredibly beneficial. By recording your sleep times, how you feel upon waking, and any factors that may have influenced your sleep, you can identify trends and issues that may be affecting your rest. This can include noting your diet, exercise routines, and stress levels. Once you have gathered data from both your sleep tracker and journal, it's crucial to adjust your habits accordingly. If you notice patterns that correlate with poor sleep, such as late night caffeine consumption or irregular sleep schedules, making changes can lead to significant improvements. By actively monitoring and adjusting your sleep quality, you can enhance your muscle recovery and overall fitness journey. We explored the vital role that sleep plays in muscle growth and recovery. We discussed how quality sleep is essential for repairing tissues, building muscle, and enhancing overall performance. By understanding the different stages of sleep and their significance, you can appreciate why prioritizing rest is crucial for your fitness journey. We also shared actionable sleep hacks to help you optimize your sleep environment, establish a consistent routine, and make dietary choices that promote better rest. From using blackout curtains and white noise machines to incorporating relaxation techniques and considering supplements, these strategies can significantly enhance your sleep quality. As you implement these tips, remember that improving your sleep is a journey that requires attention and adjustment. We encourage you to engage with us by sharing your experiences and any additional sleep hacks you found helpful in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more fitness tips, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Together, let's unlock the full potential of our fitness journeys through the power of sleep.